guys, I'm Amy, and you've landed on Belle Loves Bargains. That's my cow Effingham, and sometimes he co-hosts with me. He's got a lot to say. This channel is Dollar Tree, and only Dollar Tree. And why? Because everything at the Dollar Tree is $1.25, people. So stick around, consider subscribing, and don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. And if you want to know more about the 4 uploads I do every week, just check out the description box for more information. Enjoy! It's summertime, 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 summertime. Well, shut them books and throw them away. Say goodbye to those school days. Look alive and change your ways. It's summertime. That's not even right, is it? You guys know it though. It's summertime, summertime, summertime. Wow. I mean, we all know the song, but do we? All right, everybody. Hi, welcome to Belle's Bargains. My name is Amy. That's by the Genies. It's summertime, summertime, summertime. It is summertime. Guess what? Today you have landed on another challenge day, and guess what the theme is? Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess? You guessed it. It is a summer theme. So let's talk about who's putting on this challenge today. Bum-ba-da-da. Hold on, here it comes. All right, this is called Hello Summer. Summertime. All right, so today it's hosted by DIY from House to Home, The Rusted Willow, and Our Gray House. 3 channels that are really great. Their channels will be linked down below in my description box. Make sure you go and say hello to all 3 of the hostesses. And then make sure you go check out the playlist. Okay, so now I know it's summertime, but for me, summertime makes me think of, well, I almost say, oh, by the way, did I say hi? Welcome to Belle's Bargains. My name is Amy, because hi, welcome. This is Dollar Tree channel in case you didn't know. All right, so I almost sang hello mudda, hello fada, because summer always makes me think of camp. But it's also a time to go outside and do your garden and stuff like that, even though I don't have one because I live in Arizona. But I can still make some cool stuff to go outside. So let's just dive into, I did 4 crafts for you today. Let's just dive into all 4 of those. So we're gonna start with, I will have pictures that show these outside at night, but we're gonna start with this one. And it's gonna be really hard for me to show this to you on camera right now, but I'm gonna tell you what this is. It's the little lanterns that come with the little hook right now. I took the tops off, and these are the parts of the water your plant bulb things. Yeah. Want to see how I made it? Just watch this. So anyway, this hangs on a garden hook, and it lights up at night because it's solar lights. Watch how I made it. There they are. So those are the watering bulbs things, and that lantern, which I'm just taking the top and the lights out of it. So this is pretty simple. I'm going to take the scissors and score, and I left a little tail on the bulbs to make it easier to attach them to what I'm using them in. And that is a wood burning tool that I got at the Dollar Tree Plus section, I think for $5, and it works great for melting that off. And then I was just sort of smoothing out the end. Didn't need to do that. But then I took the one I already cut off, used that as my measuring, and then did that, of course, on all 5 of the bulbs. Now, that's the part of the lantern, the top, which the lights are attached to, and they're just a string of lights. So I'm going to take 2 of the tubes we've cut off and put them on one, and then 2 on another one, and then the singular white one is all by itself, and I'm going to use a little hot glue to keep that one on there. And then I'm just going to take the hanging chain thing for a plant and put each one, there's 3, and put 1 on each thing, and that's it. I don't know, I was just having fun. I was trying to do something different. But since I did that, and I had cut off those the stick part of it, which the glue gun works perfect for like around those, or if you had something you can cut it with. But anyway, the glue gun melts, not the glue gun. I used my, what was it? My wood burner. I'm sorry. Glue gun, the wood burner. So anyway, that melts it perfectly. But then I had the leftover bulbs, and I'm like, well, I gotta do something with them. So once again, we took another solar light, and this is one of the ones that is you can't tell that it's on there. Anyway, I'll show a picture of it also outside at night. But it's one of the ones that's a spotlight, so I could put the bulbs on it, and it would still catch sun, it would light up at night, and I could still stick it in the ground. This one was also really easy. So the only thing about this one was I put some glass on there so that it gave it a clear thing that would go over the light, but I could still put all the bulbs on there. Ready? Let's see how I made this one. Okay, so this is super simple. Those are 2 pieces of glass that came out of a picture frame. And I'm putting them together because I want it to be strong enough and thick enough. And now I'm going to have to add a little tumbling tower block so I have a surface to glue the glass down to. So I'm using the cement from the Dollar Tree, not E6000. I don't buy that. And I'm just going to go around the edge of it and then put this right onto the glass. Let that dry. And then we're going to add the bulbs. And so, of course, I have 5 of them. So I'm going to put 1 on each corner and 1 in the middle. So I'm going to use the cement adhesive stuff to put on each corner, because that's where I'm going to lay the bulb down. And then a little tap of hot glue in the center to hold it in place. But really, the hot glue will just melt in the sun. It's the adhesive that's really going to hold those on. And then put the one in the center, and then that's it. And this is super cute. So it really works because this is a spotlight one, so I can still get the solar, and it'll charge up and then still light up the bulbs at night. From when I love to use leftover stuff. So it was leftover from when I did all of my lanterns. I did a lantern video, which, by the way, I'll insert that right up here, my lantern video. So I don't remember how many lanterns I did, quite a few. And so some of them I took picture frames apart, and that came out of one of those picture frames. All right. Then last year, when they brought out these new pieces, which they're like porcelain, I was like, it would make a really cool wind chime. So that's what I did. Let's get some wind going. Mark's is like, is it gonna break? And I said, I actually don't think it's gonna. All right, so this is just really cool. I used nautical rope. I used one of their tin buckets just as a fun, whimsical, just use all the new chalk paint is what I used on the back of these. Hold on, I'll show you how I made this. It takes a little bit more time, but there's the porcelain thingamabobbers, and one side is shiny and the other side is sort of matte, and so I'm using the chalk paint, all the new chalk paint that's come out. I just thought it'd be fun and whimsical just to add some bright colors on the back of it, and then I left the shiny side shiny. And so I take all those colors, actually 2 of them end up with like this sort of salmon color, the donger in the middle and the heart, which I used as the weight in the center. So then after we're done with that, I've got to start making some holes in the bucket because we've got to attach all these. So I'm using a nail. I just go right through the center, and then I use my pliers and just make that hole bigger. Then on the sides, I take a piece of wood, hammer in, and then again do the same thing where I just make the holes a little bit bigger. Okay, so now
you've got to get the string through there, so that's why we have to pry those open just a little bit. I was using a screw, and then eventually I take my needle nose and go in there and just, it's super easy. Like this, the tin is really easy to bust into and then widen. Okay, so I go ahead and make 4 holes, an equal distance apart on the bucket on all 4 sides. And then I'm going to start tying on all of the bits. So the first thing is to get my rope up through the center one and put a loop and then knot it off so that there's a hanger on it, right? Then I can't get the rope through each individual piece, so I just take a piece and knot it like you're seeing on the heart right there, and then that's what I attach to the nautical rope, which is what I'm using, right? So I'm just like knotting these on. It takes a little bit of time, but yeah. Anyway, okay, so we're just going to get it all lined up. So basically what I did was on the sides, I adhered each one at a slightly different level, started at the shortest, then worked my way down, and then I hung the donger, the donger, which is what I just put on right there. That was how I gauged where I tied them all on, but I had to hang it to do so, and I couldn't film it. So I'm sorry about that, but this is pretty simple. I'm just putting my little string on each one of these. The heart is the weight, which keeps the donger weighted down so it can dong all the things, which you saw in the video of it chiming, right? So pretty simple, but I did hang it up to measure each one that I tied on there. Anyway, that's it. I hope these are last. It's hung outside, and we'll see. I'll give you an update because I think it's going to do pretty well. I don't know, but we'll see. All right, anyway, so fun to do. I've never done a chime before. Hope you guys like it.
Again, really not that difficult. And take note of how I did the holes in the bucket. These are thin enough that just take a nail, hammer it through, and then put something else in there to pry it open a little bit larger. And there you have my outdoor whimsical large. This is large. Like, this is a big wind chime, but I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I'll let you know if it breaks. All right, and then the final thing that I made you was this. Now, they sell us lots of outdoor signage, and I'm always like, I really want to take it to another level. So that's what I've done here. So I have incorporated multiple signs into one sign here. So this, meet me at the garden gate, Garden of Whedon, and then I'm using the florals that come from one of the hanging things. Anyway, hold on, I'll show you how I made this.
All right, so that stick right there, like I said, it's 2 sticks, and I just glued them together, zip tied them actually with black zip ties, and painted the whole thing black. So these are all the signs, and I'm just going to sand all the edges because they always have paper hanging over. This is the Jot black marker. Love this. Look at that. Bam. Easy. Easy, easy peasy. But I do paint the back of all of the signs so that you can't see any, well, first of all, it sort of protects them, and then also it helps to add that black accent. So everything got painted black on the back, and then I'm just lining everything up and using glue, wood glue, and putting it all together. So opposing flowers on either side, just because it looks nice. And then I have 1 flower and the watering can. So there was 2 watering cans, and so I glued them together to make it a little bit thicker. And then we're going to put the flower on one side, the watering can on the other side, and then this is done. And I think it came out really cute.
remove from other things, and the black just pops this, you guys. Do you see how that black just pops everything? Now, I don't have any clear sealer. I should seal it first before I put it outside. Still, how long will it last? Possibly only 1 year, 1 season, but that's okay. It was fun to make, and I got to use up some of those signs that I've had sitting in my garden totes, garden craft tote stuff. Let me, did I show you how I made this? No, I can't remember. You see how this is how this goes. I think I already did. Okay, anyway, so those are the 4 that I made. This is my favorite. I'm not really good at the outdoor crafty stuff. It's just not my thing. But I tried. I really did try. So, hope you guys like these. I'm actually going to stick this out in my front yard in my big cactus, which is kind of funny because there's no flowers in there. It's just a big cactus. But I have no flowers anywhere. Like, I literally don't have a garden. I live in Arizona. Everything is cactuses, cacti, right? All right, so which one of those did you like best? All right, let's go back. We got to thank our hostesses today for doing this fun challenge called Hello Summer. So again, we want to thank DIY from House to Home, The Rusted Willow, and Our Gray House. So make sure you go down and thank all those ladies and watch their channels and then watch the playlist. I have been busy doing challenges. Let me see. So this week there was the Wreath Challenge, the Patriotic Challenge, the Summer Patriotic Challenge comes out tomorrow, the Summer Challenge, and then What Would You Make is out on Sunday. That's like 4 challenges this week. What? I know. Plus there was a small haul and a regular haul. What? That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 6? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, 5. 5 videos. No, that's not right because I did 6 videos this week because then there's the What Would You Make. Anyway, so I've just been busy making videos. All right, everybody. So have a great day, great week, a great life. And as always, from your singing crafty crafter, it's summertime, summertime, summertime. Go to your Dollar Tree and see all the summertime stuff they have. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or hitch a ride to the next one. And also, please leave a comment down below which one of these is your favorite. I think the sign's probably going to win. But it's kind of cool what I did with the watering globes, just something a little bit different. I was trying to go outside, even the wind chime with those porcelain pieces. And also, if you like me and you really like me, please subscribe. And I will see you next time here on Bella's Bargains for my next video. Until then, from your singing crafty crafter, happy hunting at your local Dollar Tree. Toodles!